We have been through these tabs in the previous videos: the dashboard, employees, applicants, customizing the app for your specific company. And one of the things that we know are true about companies is that companies have different departments and they have different locations and so on and so forth. And what you want to do is, as you're managing your employees, you want to be able to identify where these employees are. So within your organization, you may have several departments. You click the department tab, and you may have a corporate department where you have C-level leaders up there, sales department, customer service department, maybe you have an IT department. Whatever you want to determine, you can create a department called managers. And let's just do that. Managers. Let's just type in managers, and we're going to select the company, and then we're going to save that. So now we've created a department called manager. So whether it's not IT, it's not shipping and receiving, it's not marketing, it's not whatever departments you have, you can customize whatever department you have. But if you're a manufacturing, so to speak, if you're whatever organization you have different departments, but then you have managers who may not be assigned to a department. So let's say if you're a manufacturing, you have IT, you have shipping and receiving, you have internal sales, external sales, but then you have managers who are just overseeing hourly workers. You can customize them as managers. So anyway, you can create whatever department you have in your organization, and this is how you make that happen. And of course, you can search each of these departments. So you just type that and see what's in there. You can edit them. You click this edit button. You can go back if you don't like that, or whatever, however you want to edit it. But that's how you identify your departments. Why is this important? Because when you go to employees and you manage employees and you have a list of all of your employees, and you want to see the SKAN assessment results of only the people within a certain department, then you will identify the location, which we're going to get into in a moment, and then identify that department. We can say corporate, and then you would just hit the search, and all of the people who are in that department and in that location will get populated right here. So you can streamline your search results by identifying departments and locations, or you can just see all and click them and they'll all show up. But maybe that's overwhelming information and you want to streamline that down a little bit. That's how you do that. So this is why identifying your departments is so important. So when you manage your employees, you know exactly where they're working, and you can manage them much easier by streamlining your searches. The same thing is true with add employees. You'll select as you're adding a new employee, you're going to add that person's name and then select their location and then the department that they're going to work in. And then you can hit save and take them through your organization as you manage them, develop them, and help them become the best version of themselves with the SKAN Pro platform. Okay, so that's how you create departments within your organization. Let's talk about locations. It's the same idea. So as you're setting up your page, really, you're going to click locations. And this is the same concept as department. You're going to add your location. It's really simple. Type in the location. So if you are let's say you're a bank or you're a credit union and you have branch offices in 5 different cities, then you can name that city here. And of course, select the company that you are working for. Now, this is going to be a very interesting feature because right now, the software is only allowing you to identify the mother company. Now, what we understand is that there are holding companies, and maybe you want to streamline your search down even further to not just the Canopy company, but maybe you're a bank that bought out some other banks and they still have the same name that they were before you bought them out, then we're going to give you the option as another update coming forward to choose a company name that is still under your organization. So right now it'll be just your organization. That update is coming here pretty soon. Once again, why is it important that you identify these locations? Because it makes it easier for you to manage your employees. So we're going to look at, let's take a look here. Let's click Ashtabula, Ohio. This is one of my sales managers, and we're just going to click his string. Oh, he's not, we don't have him in there. So let's do the whole sales right there. I guess I don't have him logged in as loaded in as that, but that's how that's going to work. Let's check Bay City. Let's check corporate, and there's me. There I am listed under that. So that's how you're going to streamline. So basically what it boils down to is we want you to have the best and most efficient way to manage your employees using the SKAN Pro assessment. And one final time, I will say that if you are if you're watching these videos and you're saying, okay, this is a great platform, show me the assessment. Here's a result of that. This is where you're gonna see these things, and you're saying, look, Mike, I want clear understanding of this. Then I'm going to encourage you to watch the SKAN Pro tutorial. It is going to give you the clearest picture of how we develop leaders as we do our executive coaching, and how we help you to develop your team by using this assessment. So if you have any questions, I would encourage you to reach out to us, but I hope this video has given you some deep insight on who we are, what we do, and what our SKAN Pro platform can do to help you continue to develop your team, to retain talent, and to hire the best and the sharpest people out there for open positions. So consider SKAN Pro as brought to you by ExecuSpect Leadership Development for your talent development, retention, and acquisition needs. Thank you for watching.